Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have an unboxing of a new product from KellofaPlan. It is the KellofaPlan box. So this releases today. I'll have it linked down in the description with my affiliate link if you're interested in purchasing. But I'm gonna unbox everything and then do a plan with me because there is a sticker book in this box. So yeah, you get this cute little box. You can kind of see the theme, the aesthetic for this box. Cute. And then here's the inside with all the stuff that I'm gonna go over. So let me put this aside. We got some sticky notes, 3 different types here. This nice box one says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. We have a monthly box sticky note. I love using these on my monthly. And then we have more of a decorative one here on the bottom. So 3 little sticky notes on this cardboard. Oh, and then we get a little pen pouch, and this one has like the strap so you can stick this on your planner. I have my planner right here. So this will fit on a classic size planner. You want to put it around like that and have all your pens and stuff in here, which actually there is a pen that is releasing too. So it's got like the little pink gemstones, little crystals in there. It says KellofaPlan on the clip, and I believe it's a little, yeah, it's a little twist ballpoint kind of pen. Okay, but yeah, it's with the theme, the pink and the yellow. So yeah, you can put your stuff in here and then kind of carry this around with you with your planner. So that's nice. Let me take this off. Okay, so that is the little pen pouch. There is a notebook which has some filler paper in it. So the cover says, there is no lemon so sour that you can't make something resembling lemonade. Love the florals and lemons combo. And then these really, really cute, tiny little mini discs. Well, this is smaller than a normal like Happy Planner mini disc, but they're yellow, cute. Here is the inside, the florals and lemons. Love the dot grid paper, that floral side. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought this was a notebook. Okay, my bad. It's actually, oh, this is interesting. Okay, this is a little bit more than I thought. Okay, let's go through this. So you have a monthly section. It says this month on the dot grid side, it's a Sunday through Saturday, and it's undated. So you'll be able to use this whenever you want. Now these next pages are really cool. So, wow, look how fun that is. So we have top 3 section here, important dates, a checklist section, goals, celebrating, bills due, monthly habit tracker, 3 monthly habit trackers, and note section. And then it goes into just line paper. Okay, that's really cool. It's like a monthly dashboard that you can use this for. And then you have just line paper to kind of jot down stuff. Okay, so then you got, again, the dot grid paper, the monthly section, and then all your monthly kind of check-ins here. So you have 3 months worth of those sheets in here. That's cool. And it looks like it's already like decorated, so you wouldn't have to really do much except for fill it in, which is nice. It's very colorful. Okay, so there's the back cover, KellofaPlan. Cool. Okay. Okay, and then I have some washi. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rolls of washi here. So we have this first one, which is like blue background with some lemons and some like, they look like little tiles. And then we have this pink one, which has the lemons and the florals. A nice striped one. More of the lemons. This one's just more yellow. And then this one is like a combo of different things, like lemony kind of stuff and sunglasses and dresses and very summery looking stuff. Okay, so those are the washi rolls. And then last but not least, we got a, let me see how many pages is this? I want to say 30. Yeah, 30-page sticker book. So I want to bring it up just a little closer so you can flip through this. You get a good look at all the stickers in here. Again, I plan on using this in a plan with me coming up. So we have all the colorful boxes, checklists, and bullet points in the pink, green, yellow combo or color palette. Some monthly stickers here. And then the florals with lemons. These are clear stickers here. Lots of lemons. Okay, next theme, greens and blues. These are dashboard stickers for your dashboard planner. Okay, so this matches one of the washi rolls, or a couple of the washi rolls actually. It's a pretty blue and yellow theme. Then we have yellow and green. Some hexagons. And then all the lemon stuff here, lemonade, like a lemon ice cream or sorbet kind of treat. Lemon dresses, lemon clothing. Some clusters of lemons. Okay, next theme. Lemonade stand, cute. That'd be a cute little scene with those stickers. Okay, next theme. It's like a lemonade party here, or lemon party. All right, then we have some really cool quotes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sweet as a lemon, fresh squeezed lemonade. Life is zesty. So you get two like that. Alphabets. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's like little lemons. Those are little lemons within the lettering. Some more alphabets here. Then you get a blue version on this one. Cute. And this one's more yellow. Again, we got like little lemon outlines on there. And white. Those are cute. All right, so that is Lemon Love. Such a cute theme. So yeah, I'm going to do a plan with me now. But again, if you're interested in purchasing, this will be linked down in my description. It is releasing today. Okay, so I'm going to use some of KellofaPlan's planner pages to make a spread. And I want to do a combo of two of these themes because I really like the florals, but I always like to do something with florals. So I'm going to do this one and then this one. Little treats. I think that'll be cute. All right. So this book has basically everything I need, like all the size boxes I like to use. So I'm going to take this large one, this pink one right here, and put this on the edge. We'll try to do this somewhat straight, hopefully. Okay, perfect. So that's a good start. And then, oh, and then I like to do, so this one's, KellofaPlan's planner pages are flipped compared to Happy Planner. Usually the sidebar is on this side, but she does hers a little different, so that way it's different from that planner. Usually I put a double box here, but I'm gonna just do a double box over here for the start of the week. So it's kind of flipped the way that I do things. Oh, and then let me grab some florals. Start adding florals to the page too. Get tweezers. Okay. With the pretty lemon. Cute. So I'm just gonna stick this here. Oh no, I put that down. Kind of funny. That's okay. Okay, it's fine. It's all good. Okay, I'm gonna grab another box sticker. Okay, maybe yellow. want to go into this theme, see what I can grab from here. Like some of these cute little treats would be cute. I'm going to do this cupcake. Oops. Okay. So I got a cupcake on top here. And I want to put this little stand. Let's put it here. Okay, and then more florals, of course, more florals. Let's do a corner piece. So this one right here would be good. So I can put a corner one over here. And probably do one down here. So I'm gonna grab this one. Oop. All right, there we go. All right, so this one's gonna go here on the punched edge. All right, and then I wanna add like a quote because there's some cute little quotes like these. I'm gonna do this "Life is sweet" quote. Okay, I was gonna do it here or here, but I kinda like it here. Life is sweet. Okay. We could do fresh squeezed lemonade. Actually, let me add some more boxes to this side. Okay, so boxes on this side. Let's do this light pink color. I can do one this way. And I'm going to do a green layered here. And then I could do a treat here. Maybe. We'll see. I can fit there. Oh, the lollipops are cute. Let's do a lollipop. It's little. Kind of like that. That's cute. Okay. More boxes. Like these smaller ones are good. So let's do, I want to get, there's a lot of yellow down here. So let's do, I guess, green again. I could do another treat here. But let me add a couple more boxes. So over here, we'll do hot pink. I don't have hot pink on this side, so I could do a hot pink here. I wonder if I have, oh yeah, perfect, okay. And then the light pink. Do one here. Nope, not like that. Okay, yeah, so I can stick a treat here. I think would be good. Okay, let's see which one. Maybe a drink or a cupcake. Slowly page. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. I think I need pink. I'll do this one. Okay, got a drink. I really like these little lollipops, so I kind of want to stick another one on the page. Actually, make us a couple. But I only have one yellow. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here, and then I can do one of these like little slices next to it. I just want to bring some pink down here too. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna stick some bullet points. There's bullet points in here. Let me grab those. Okay, lots of nice bullet points here. So let's see what color. Over here I want to get, oh, I should get yellow in here. So I'll have yellow. So I'm going to do a couple of yellow. Okay, so that brings in yellow on that side. And then over here, I feel like I'm going to do the hot pink color. I'm gonna do one here. Let's do pink, light pink up here. Okay, cute, cute. Maybe I could do a quote up here. So I really like quotes. So, okay, that one's yellow, so I don't want to use that one. I could do the fresh squeezed lemonade, but I don't know if that's gonna fit. But I don't know if it's gonna fit width-wise. Height-wise, it looks good. Okay, so let's see if it fits. Well, I guess it does. Fresh squeezed lemonade. Okay, so this side looks pretty good. I feel like this side, I'm gonna stick something on top of here. So let me grab another little treat. Let's do, I already did cupcakes. I could do another drink, this really tall lemon drink. I think that's too much. Okay, let me take that off. If it comes off. No, it's not coming off. Okay, that's staying there. We're not moving that one. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, maybe I'll just add another pink bullet point. And maybe okay, I think that's it. All right, so that's gonna be it for this spread. Turned out really cute, fun theme. I like the colors, very like summery feeling, which is nice. But yeah, lemons and florals is a really cute theme, and all the lemony kind of stuff is really cute. So again, this releases today. If you're interested in purchasing, I have my affiliate link down in the description. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.